Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make sketch tips and tricks full guide. Start by setting up your workspace with natural light and a clean surface. Arrange pencils, erasers, blending tools, and a sketchbook within easy reach. Keep a reference nearby and a small container for stray shavings. Begin with warm-up strokes and simple shapes to loosen your hand before tackling detailed sketches. In this video, I will show how to make sketch tips and tricks full guide. Start by drawing basic shapes and breaking subjects into simple forms. Practice hatching and cross-hatching to build midtones and shadows without muddying value. Keep edges sharp where focus is needed and soft where form recedes. Regularly step back to check proportions and adjust construction lines before committing to darker values. In this video, I will show how to make sketch tips and tricks full guide. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that keep snacks tidy while you sketch, no spills or sticky fingers. They stack neatly and save cleanup time between sessions. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make sketch tips and tricks full guide. Begin experimenting with perspective and scale using a simple grid or viewfinder. Try subtractive drawing to reveal highlights and maintain contrast throughout the piece. Work in layers, building values from light to dark, and switch pencils for texture variation. Finish by refining edges and adding small details to anchor the composition and bring sketches to life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.